Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing precise parts: a circular Magsafe magnet ring and a thin metal alignment plate plus 3M double-sided tape. You must find the wireless coil center, use specs or a compass app to detect the coil because proper alignment ensures charging and magnetic hold. Once found, mark the spot lightly. Make sure to remove any metal or thick cases. Begin with the adhesive backing peeled half off. Ready to position the magnet ring exactly over the coil. Once the ring is aligned, you position it carefully. Center the magnet over the coil and hold steady. Press the adhesive for 30 to 60 seconds to secure initial bond. This stabilizes alignment so the coil and magnet won't shift. If your phone runs hot or alignment seems off, add a 1 to 2 mm spacer between the magnet and device to reduce interference. Make sure to test with a Magsafe charger, now so you confirm charging and magnetic attachment before final sealing. You finish by sealing the assembly. Slide on a slim case or apply a thin protective cover so the magnet stays in place without obstructing the magnetic field. Then test with a Magsafe charger and a Magsafe accessory for about 10 minutes, observing charging rate and device temperature because excess heat means misalignment or interference. If things go wrong, recheck center alignment and adjust the magnet by 1 to 2 mm steps. Make sure adhesive cured and there's no metal shielding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.